Morning, everybody. Jason, Cody, Hollis Farms. It is very early. We're headed to see if we can get on a turkey this morning. Cody's ready to pop one. Alright, y'all, we didn't do no good on the turkeys again. My thing go here, spam. We heard a turkey gobble twice, and that was it. But we did stop by the bakery. We gotta run down here and get some gas, and then we gotta get into something else later. Alright, y'all, we made it back. Cody went down to the house for a little bit, got peed out. Gonna do a little more spraying. We didn't have much of a hunt this morning, but Sissy did. She got one. She's by herself. Proud of her. The last several she's killed been by herself. We hadn't been able to get lucky, but I've been with her. She pulled it off again. I'm proud of her. Maybe we can get some good filming for long. I need some good video. My goodness, it's awful. Can't even hardly get any video. Me and Cody and Mitt had a good time this morning. I think the turkeys are just kind of late in most spots. It's going to get better. We still got a lot of time left. I lack just a little bit on the last field here, and we'll be done spraying here. Just a little bit more to do. I just got a half a tank. I hope that's enough. Still pretty wet in a few places too. Alright, I got everything sprayed. Drained it out best I could, and I always put some water back in it. Clean the system out, run it till she's empty. I can see how far it sprays. Most of that stuff she sprays kind of corrosive, so keep everything cleaned out so she'll be ready next time. Done a lot of spraying with that thing. I hadn't run anything through this hand one, but I'm gonna run some water through it. Maybe off. Valve off. Yep, the valve is off, I think. This may be stopped up. It ain't acting right. unless I done forgot how to use it. I believe my nozzle stopped real quick. Alright, y'all, starting to stock a few things in the slide-in truck camper. Got me a couple of pillows, some sheets, comforter, got a few garbage bags, valuable toilet paper, got a couple rolls of paper towels. I got the refrigerator going. I hadn't got anything in it yet. It is cooling good. I think we're gonna be alright. About time to make a trip. Alright, so here's what I'm about to play with now. I went to Harbor Freight and Tractor Supply the other day and got me a few LED lights for the boat, so we can make sure we're good if we go out for daylight. These are Roadshock. These came from Harbor Supply. This is an 8-inch combo spot flood. I got them lights, and I wanted some on my Ranger and stuff anyway, so I got an assortment. And these came with the wiring harness. I hope this is long enough. I'm not much on electricity and wiring and all, but I got this wiring harness at Tractor Supply, the Traveler brand. It is, I think the ones I got at Harbor Freight are like 13 feet long, and this one is 24 feet long. So I just got to get in here and cipher out what I want to do. I got me some cable and some hooks and all, so we can tie off when we want to. So I'm fixing to, they make some really fancy stuff you can put on there, but I really didn't want that. I know it's a little glare there, but I just didn't want that. I think these will work fine. I'm going to try to end up with 1 or 2 on the front, and then hopefully 1 to 2, probably at least 1 backup light, because I think if you was unloading in the dark, it'd be nice to have that. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to probably end up mounting this light right up here somehow, like so, on the front. Got my wires. I was going to run the wires all down through there, but man, it'd take forever. So I'm going to end up getting me something to hold the wire down through there and all, because we ain't got to be just perfect. And I got it run all the way through here, snaked it through there, and I lack running down through there and getting to the battery. So I got me some extra wire. Going to cut the ends and add some wire and hook it up, see if it'll work. Alright, y'all, got my wires extended, hooked up, run through there. Let's see if she works. I don't know if the switch is on. Yep, switch is already on. Oh, I had that switch off. I guess not. Let's see. Yep, switch is burning red. Huh. Getting closer. Check her out. Ooh, that's bright, ain't it? Ha ha ha. Now we gotta do is mount some wires. I don't know if I'll get all that done today. Fasten them down. Alright, had to stop the boat project for a little bit. Gotta do some feed. Gotta put some hay out, some mules and horses. Gotta feed the dogs. Ain't too far from dark. Alright, y'all, not too bad a day today. Had a good fun time. I won't say it was a super hunt this morning, but me and Mitt and Cody had a good time today. Oh, got all my spraying done here in Alabama. Got that out of the way. Chuck talking to me. Got that out of the way. Got the lights got them wired up and working. One of the lights on the boat. And all I got to do now is kind of figure out how I'm going to hide the wires or attach the wires or what I'm gonna do. Pretty easy from the console back. From the front, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might get me some little wire straps and just rivet it down to the deck. I don't know. I'm not gonna just get too fancy with it. It might get me a piece of pipe. I don't know. Just thought about that. It might be a piece of conduit or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Not just gonna get too fancy. Just want it to work. But anyway, I'm gonna get down here and feed all these crazy dogs and call it a day. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.